There's nothing like a good house cleaning, but according to Cleveland Clinic's Dr. Alice Hoyt, kicking up too much dust may aggravate indoor allergies. She says you can avoid misery by planning ahead.
Just trying to identify areas that are going to be potential allergy challenges for you. Take an antihistamine, use your nasal steroid spray before you start your cleaning to try to have that on board to help you not have symptoms.
When cleaning tight spaces like a bathroom, be sure you have good ventilation, or at least run a fan. Open the windows or wear a mask when tackling heavy-duty jobs, and keep an eye out for mold or mildew in the basement.
If you're in a basement and it's kind of mildewy, you really want to try to get it as dry as possible. You never want to have like carpet on concrete that can set up for mold.
Allergens like dust mites and pet dander are common in bedrooms. Dr. Hoyt says pillow and mattress covers can help keep dust mites at bay. But remember, dust mite covers should only be washed every 3 months.
Basically what a dust mite cover is a physical barrier between like your face breathing in these dust mite particles. And if the more we wash, the more loose the thread is, the more likely it is for dust mite particles to be able to come in and go into your nose when you breathe at night. And that's what we don't want.
At Cleveland Clinic, I'm Erica Foreman.